Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share a quick update on the Bless Network Airdrop. Just recently, they shared an update on their X profile. As you can see, they said the time has come. Our TIME Airdrop claim is now live. Step forward, Blessed. This means you can now see your allocation and claim TIME tokens. They shared a link which I'll provide in the description. After clicking the link, you'll land on the Bless dashboard airdrop page. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard displaying the total hours you accumulated by participating in the network. For example, I've racked up about 170 days and 6 hours of time, and for that I received an allocation of 201 tokens. The airdrop operates under specific rules. Chapter 0 of the Bless Network Airdrop is now complete, and the staking benefits are tied to how long you stake your tokens. Staking for a longer period increases your share of the Chapter 0 airdrop pool, which is set at 8.5% of the total Bless token supply. The longer you stake, the higher your multiplier, unlocking more Bless tokens for the same amount of time contributed. The airdrop claim ends in the next 10 days, so keep this in mind. There are several redemption options available: immediate claim, 3-month claim, 12-month claim, or 18-month claim. For instance, if I claim right now, I'll receive around 150 Bless tokens, but this is just an estimate. The final amount depends on the overall decisions of all users. In my case, I'm choosing the immediate claim option because I want to secure my tokens now rather than waiting. While waiting longer could yield more tokens, I'm not fully confident in holding off for months, so I'll take what's offered upfront. You can select your preferred option based on your strategy, whether it's claiming now or waiting for 3, 12 or 18 months for potentially higher rewards. To claim your airdrop, click Select My Redemption Preference. Then choose your wallet. I'd select Phantom Wallet, then click Confirm. And it's done. As you can see, the redemption is complete and it immediately unlocks my tokens. That's it guys. If you want all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, don't miss out on joining our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.